let us look at the elements of rectangle. The figure A, B, C, D shows a rectangle. It has 4 sides, 4 angles, 4 vertices and 2 diagonals. 4 sides are segments AB, BC, CD and AD. 4 angles are angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. 4 vertices are A, B, C, D. 2 diagonals are segments AC and BD. Now let's see the properties of rectangle. If we measure 4 sides of rectangle A, B, C, D, we find that lengths of opposite sides are equal. Place a set square at each angle. You will see that the right angle of set square coincides with angle of rectangle. We can verify this with a protractor also. Each angle of rectangle is a right angle. Look at the figures of rectangle and answer the questions. Number 1. Write names of opposite sides in rectangles given. Answer. From the figure, we can say that the opposite sides of P, Q, R, S are segment PQ and segment SR, and segment PS and segment QR. Number 2. Write names of diagonals. Answer. Diagonals of X, Y, Z, W are segment XZ and segment YW. Diagonals of E, F, G, H are segment EG and segment FH. Number 3. Measure each angle of rectangle and write the measures. Answer. Let us measure the angle A with help of the protractor. We find that it is 90 degrees. Also measure angle B. It is also 90 degrees. Now measure angle C. It is 90 degrees too. Now let's measure angle D. It is also 90 degrees. Each angle of rectangle is a right angle. Therefore, all angles measure 90 degrees. Number 4. Tell which of these quadrilaterals is a rectangle. In quadrilateral L, M, N, O, length of side LN and MO is 5 centimeters. Length of side LM and NO is 3 centimeters. Measure of angle L, M, N and O is 90 degrees. In quadrilateral A, B, C, D, length of all sides is 2.5 centimeters. Answer. From the figures, quadrilateral L, M, O, N is a rectangle because the length of the opposite sides is equal and each angle of quadrilateral L, M, O, N is a right angle. Let us learn about square. Elements of a square. Square has 4 vertices P, Q, R, S. 4 angles are angle P, angle Q, angle R, angle S. 4 sides are segment PQ, segment QR, segment RS, segment PS. 2 diagonals are segment PR and segment QS. Properties of square. Measure the sides of the square P, Q, R, S. The length of all sides is equal to 3 centimeters. Therefore, all sides of square are equal. Place right angle of set square on each angle of square. The right angle of set square coincides with each angle. This shows each angle of square is a right angle. Verify with protractor. On verifying with the help of protractor, we find that each angle of a square is a right angle. Let us now solve exercise 74. Find the square from the following. Figure 2 is a square. PQRS is a square as all sides are equal and all angles are right angles. Measure sides and angles of following quadrilaterals to say which is a square. Out of the figures given, only PQRS has 4 sides equal and each angle of 90 degrees. So, PQRS is a square. Rest of the figures are not square. The length of sides of 2 quadrilaterals are given. All angles of both quadrilaterals are right angle. Say which is square and which is rectangle. In quadrilateral X, Y, Z, P, side XY is equal to 5 centimeters. Side YZ is equal to 4.2 centimeters. Side ZP is equal to 5 centimeters. Side XP is equal to 4.2 centimeters. Opposite sides XY and ZP are equal. Therefore, XYZP is a rectangle. In quadrilateral L, M, N, P, side LM is equal to 4 centimeters. Side MN is equal to 4 centimeters. Side NP is equal to 4 centimeters. All sides are equal. Therefore, LMNP is a square.